Okay, so this is one of those that if we had just X would be great. It'd be a Y1, Y2. But we have the situation where we're having a K and an M. So this becomes a plug any number, no zeros, no ones, where K will be equal to 2 and M will be equal to 3. And that's all you got to do. So you're going to go to your Desmos, you're going to literally type this in, get an answer. We're going to do very little, any kind of work by hand on paper. So remember, K is 2, M is 3. You guys ready? Here we go. Calculator. And go to the alphabet. Of course. This guy's always been getting away. Alphabet. K equals to 2. And then M equals to 3. And let's see what happens, because M, sometimes this mistake is a slope. And I don't know if this graphing calculator is going to make that move or not. So let's see what we got here. I got 2K squared, in parentheses, 2K squared, which is going to be over here. Oh, man, it's going to be fun with this guy. Put you over here, man. Squared minus 3M. Oops. 3M. So the hard part about this whole thing is just typing stuff in where Desmos lets you, right? And so it just gets glitchy in terms of the keyboard and things like that. My answer is -2, by the way. So when I plug in K is 2, M is 3, I'm getting -2. So I'm going to plug in my answer choices now and hope for the same thing, that -2. And it's going to be extremely moody because for some reason it's either my laptop or it's just the site now itself. Okay, raised to 3 is at A to the B. Let me put that 3. Right arrow plus 12M. And then getting that thing out, because I'm using Screencastify, which is also glitchy now like crazy. Putting M, I get 84, not the answer, so it's not A. Let's rewind it here. -2K raised to the third power plus 3KM. 2, it's getting closer. It's one of these ugly answers over here. All right. 6K to the third power. The good news about all this, even though it takes a while, 8K squared, you're gonna get the right answer if you just are patient enough. See how it doesn't want to go back? See, I'm trying to go backwards. Let me go backwards. Just patient enough with the computer when you're taking the test, and I hope you don't get glitchy like this guy likes to get, right? But even if it does, just go slow and steady wins the race. And you're going to be good to go. Look, there it is, -2. My answer is C. I'm not even going to bother D because I know the answer is C. And you're finished. That's it. Plug in the number, no zeros, no ones. And you check against your results in your calculator, and you're good to go. Notice I did not write anything on graph paper, nothing. Once you recognize expression equivalent to, here's my expression, here's our other equivalent expressions, you're good to go, right? Your teacher can go over why it works if they want to. I'm not. I'm taking a test. I want the right answer. I got the right answer. I'm good. Let's graduate.